Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to knit the garter and rib stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to knit, purl, and cast on. If you need help with any of those stitches or techniques, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to get started with that. So to get started, you're going to cast on multiples of 2 plus 1. Once you have all your stitches casted on, then you are going to knit every single stitch, and you're going to do this for rows 1 through 4. So for this video, I'm just going to be showing you this little bloop of knitting because there's no point in showing you rows 2 through 4 if they're all knits. So again, for the first 4 rows, you are going to knit every single stitch. Here we are now onto row 5. You are going to start off by knitting 1, and then you're going to jump straight into the repeat, which is going to be doing a purl 1, then knit 1, and you'll repeat this purl 1, knit 1 until the end of the row. Finishing up row 5, here we are on row 6. Now row 6, you're going to start off by knitting 1, and then you're going to go into the repeat of knit 1, purl 1. And you'll repeat this knit 1, purl 1 until the last 2 stitches of the row, and the last 2 stitches will be 2 knits. Once finished with that, you will repeat rows 1 through 6 until you get the desired size of your project. And that's it. That's how you knit the garter and rib stitch pattern. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next knitting video. Have a happy knitting day.